The red balloon is the final square in the Charming Marshmallow Blanket series, and I cannot believe that we actually made it here. 8 unique square designs. Like 6 months of work, and the most charming blanket I've ever seen is taking shape. But before we get ahead of ourselves, we've got a balloon to make. We'll use worsted weight yarn in a border color and a marshmallow color. The red balloons are getting the appropriate pinky dusty red, as well as a 4.5mm crochet hook, just like we've used in all the marshmallow squares. We'll be starting with our marshmallow color. Go ahead and make a slip knot and chain 4. Slip stitch to that first chain to form a chain 4 ring. Chain 1, which doesn't count as a stitch, and make 1/2 double crochet into the chain 4 ring. I'm going to bury my tail under my stitches as I go. Make another 1/2 double crochet into the chain 4 ring. And continue making 1/2 double crochets into the ring. Until you have 14 1/2 double crochets total. Since I buried my tail as I worked, I can cinch that hole more close by pulling on it. And slip stitch to the first 1/2 double crochet of the round to complete the round. Round 2. Chain 1, which doesn't count as a stitch, so you can pull it kind of tight. And make 2 1/2 double crochets right into the stitch that we just slipped into. Two 1/2 double crochets in the next stitch. And continue making 2 1/2 double crochets in each stitch, a total of 6 times for the round so far. Then into that 7th stitch, make 3 1/2 double crochets. Two 1/2 double crochets in the next stitch. And 3 1/2 double crochets again in the next stitch. Then you'll put 2 1/2 double crochets in each remaining stitch, of which there will be 5. Slip stitch to the first 1/2 double crochet to complete round 2. You'll have 30 1/2 double crochets total. Round 3. We'll again chain 1 and pull it tight. In that very same stitch that we just slipped into, work 1 1/2 double crochet. We'll now work a double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Followed by 1 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, we'll work a single crochet and continue working single crochets around each stitch of your balloon for a single crochet border of sorts. When you've made it all the way back to your first 1/2 double, slip stitch into that 1/2 double crochet to complete round 3. Our balloon is taking shape. Now we just need to add its little balloon Nibbie thingy. Slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 2. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. To get to this last stitch, we'll chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch to mirror what we did on the start of the Nibbie. And there's your balloon motif. As with many of the squares, we'll fasten off the marshmallow color by leaving a long tail, about 2.5 yards, so that we can use it to add our surface crochet outline at the end of the pattern. For round 4, grab your border color, and with the balloon upside down like this, fasten on to the top of that chain 2 that we ended with. Work 1 half double crochet right into the stitch that we just slip stitched into. And it'll be the same height as the balloon Nibbie. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And into the next stitch, we'll work a corner by making 2 treble crochets. Chain 2, 1 more treble crochet into the same stitch, and 1 double crochet, all into that corner stitch. And your bottom right corner is done. Let's work along the side of the square. Start with 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double in each of the next 2 stitches, one single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. The squaring process is coming along nicely. We need to work 1 more half double crochet in the next stitch, and then into the next stitch work a double crochet corner, which will get 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all into that same stitch. Into the next 2 stitches, work 1 half double crochet in each. Then 3 single crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. One half double crochet, followed by 1 double crochet. Third corner time. This one also gets a simple 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet corner. Into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, followed by 3 single crochets, each in its own stitch, one half double in each of the next 2 stitches, one double crochet in the next stitch, and it's time for our 4th and final corner. 2 treble crochets in the next stitch, chain 2, 1 treble crochet, and 1 double crochet, all into the same stitch. Now what we have left on the balloon is a slip stitch and the first stitch from that balloon bottom shaping row. We'll need to work into both of these spots with 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet respectively. So 1 double crochet in that slip stitch and 1 half double crochet right here in the top of this stitch. Slip stitch to the top of that Nibbie chain 2 to complete your squaring round. Final round time! Chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet, and we'll work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochets here. Ignore that little chain 2 below and work 1 double crochet right in the top of the next border color stitch. Then continue working 1 double crochet in each stitch from the previous round. When you reach your chain 2 corners, pop 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all into those chain spaces to maintain your corners. And once each stitch has gotten a stitch, and each corner has gotten a corner, slip stitch to the top of your starting chain 3 to complete your square. You can fasten off the border color, and there's our little square balloon. We'll really finish it up and highlight these ends of the Nibbie a bit by adding a surface crochet outline using that long tail that we left after finishing the balloon. So go ahead and insert your hook into a stitch at the edge of the balloon. Keeping that working yarn in back, pull up a loop and slip stitch. Continue slip stitching along the outer edge of the balloon shape. And when you've worked all the way around, insert your hook here to the side of the balloon Nibbie to pop a slip stitch there. Then I'm going to go out here between these 2 border stitches, just to really highlight the corners. Pop some slip stitches along the bottom edge. And another extra highlighting stitch over here. One more slip stitch to the side of the Nibbie. And a last surface crochet stitch here. Weave in your ends and your red balloon is done. Just like that, we've crocheted all of Lucky the Leprechaun's favorite shapes. If you're just finding the series now, the full playlist is linked below so you can catch up on any motifs you've missed. And now that the squares tutorials are done, the assembly video is coming up next. So subscribe and stay close by because we're about to put this whole blanket together. I'm so glad you made it to the end with me. See you next time. Bye!